Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on your PS4 or PS5 so you can load up your account with some extra V-Bucks for skins, emotes, and battle passes. Before we start, it's important to know that Fortnite V-Bucks cards can't be redeemed directly through the PlayStation Store. You'll need to redeem them through Epic Games' official website first. Don't worry though, it's quick and easy. First, grab your V-Bucks card and find the 25-character code on the back. Then open a browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to epicgames.com/fortnite/en/US/VBucks card. Click on Get Started and log into your Epic Games account. Make sure you log in with the same Epic account that's linked to your PlayStation account, otherwise the V-Bucks won't show up. If you're not sure which account is linked, you can check by visiting your Epic Games account settings under Connections. After logging in, type in your VBucks code into the box and click on Next. The website will then show you a list of platforms. Choose PlayStation as your platform, then click on Confirm. Now you'll see a new page with a 12-digit PlayStation Store code. This is the code you'll actually redeem on your PS4 or PS5. If you're on PS5, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Payments and Subscriptions, and select Redeem Codes. Type in the 12-digit code you just got from Epic's website and press Redeem. If you're on PS4, go to the PlayStation Store, scroll down to Redeem Codes, and enter the same 12-digit code there. Once you've redeemed it, open Fortnite. Make sure you're logged in with the same Epic account you used earlier, and your V-Bucks should automatically appear in your account balance. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on PlayStation. You can now use your V-Bucks to buy the latest skins, emotes, or the battle pass. If your V-Bucks don't appear right away, just restart the game or your console. Sometimes it takes a minute to sync. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials.